Hold on. Before you watch the rest of the video, I have a new site on Tippy where you can see lots of unseen videos and more. Link in the description. Don't miss out. Join the team and enjoy the video.
Good afternoon, sir. We are the Group 3 presenter. I am Angel Faith Aguilan. I am Oliver Boyvito. I am President Dormiles. I am Chase Obon. I am Steph. I am Dina Colgan. And our first topic for today is about asynchronous presentations and training sessions. Proceed for this great lesson about asynchronous presentation and training sessions. So, asynchronous training allows learners to access content at their own pace. And this is the real-time interaction required, and it is common formats are recorded lectures, narrated slides, online modules. So, yung asynchronous, alam naman po natin yun, di ba? Ito ay mostly na nagamit or naging popular noong time ng pandemic kagaya ng sinabi kanina ni Anne Margaret. So, yung asynchronous is this wala itong real-time interaction. So, it means yung kapag nag-send yung teacher na activity, hindi nakabantay yung teacher like hindi siya live. And asynchronous is not in one place na nagaganap kasi nga it is online. So, how to use or paano natin gamitin yung asynchronous as learning. So first, we have here record presentations using tools like PowerPoint, Zoom, or Camtasia. So para maganap yung asynchronous learning na ginagawa is kailangan mayroong mag-record ng teacher ng presentation gamit ang PowerPoint, Zoom, or the Camtasia. So, kagaya na ginagawa like this, gawa ng PowerPoint presentation. So, yung Zoom and Camtasia, ito is yung application required na kapag sinend is gagawin mo na siya agad. Pwedeng gawin ng learner yung activity or the lesson na binigay ng teacher anytime and anywhere. And scalable it is suitable for large groups. Sa mga Scrum, list of misinformation and irrelevant content. Ang pagkakalat ng mga vacant job opportunities, mga fake news, ganon, can be done continuing to maintain an active presence. Yung mga pag-update ng mga profile tungkol sa mga pagpapasa mo ng mga message. Conclusion, professional networking sites like LinkedIn are powerful tools for career growth. We offer global networking